Okay, this is my Merida Scultura 400 2020. So most of them are stocks. The drivetrain Shimano 105, crankset, um, RD, and the front derailleur. Then just changes the bar tape in black into white. So the ITM, that's not good. Not that good actually. Then this bike is a full 105 components, brake as well. So I just changed the wheel set into Sagmit Ultralite, made in Taiwan, and also a new tire. Is a Continental Gatorskin 23mm Pro X breaker, and okay, this is the Sagmit Ultralite. So overall, just changed like 20% of it. It's a 2020, so 1 year, 1 year and a half usage. So far, so good. Nothing to complain. So we'll do sound check right now. This one. Nice, huh? Ratchet type.